The lymphatic system is an essential part of the body that performs three major functions: fluid recovery, immunity, and lipid absorption. First, the lymphatic system plays a key role in fluid recovery. As blood flows through capillaries, some fluid continuously filters out into the spaces between cells, known as interstitial spaces. If this fluid were not recovered, it would accumulate and cause swelling. The lymphatic system collects this excess interstitial fluid and returns it to the bloodstream. This recovered fluid is called lymph. Second, the lymphatic system is an important part of the immune system. It helps protect the body by detecting and destroying foreign substances, such as bacteria, viruses, and other harmful particles. Specialized immune cells in the lymphatic system identify these invaders and help prevent infection. Third, the lymphatic system assists in lipid absorption. In the small intestine, specialized lymphatic vessels called lacteals absorb dietary fats that cannot enter the blood capillaries directly. These fats are then transported through the lymphatic system before eventually entering the bloodstream. The lymphatic system is made up of several components. Lymph is the fluid that circulates through the system. Lymphatic vessels are the channels that transport lymph throughout the body. Lymphatic tissues consist of clusters of immune cells, such as lymphocytes and macrophages, that are found in many organs. Finally, lymphatic organs contain concentrated populations of these immune cells and play a central role in immune defense. Lymph itself is usually a clear and colorless fluid. It is similar to blood plasma, but contains less protein. Its composition can vary depending on location and time. For example, after a meal, lymph draining from the small intestine often appears milky because it contains absorbed lipids. Lymph can also contain lymphocytes, macrophages, hormones, bacteria, viruses, and cellular debris. Lymph moves through a network of lymphatic vessels, which are similar to blood vessels. These vessels begin as tiny lymphatic capillaries that penetrate most tissues in the body. However, they are absent in cartilage, bone marrow, and the cornea. The walls of lymphatic capillaries consist of thin endothelial cells that overlap slightly, forming flap-like valves. When the pressure of tissue fluid increases, these flaps open and allow fluid to enter the capillaries. Unlike the circulatory system, the lymphatic system does not have a pump like the heart. Instead, lymph moves slowly through several mechanisms. Rhythmic contractions of lymphatic vessels help push the fluid forward. Valves prevent lymph from flowing backward. Movement of skeletal muscles also squeezes lymphatic vessels, promoting flow. In addition, nearby arterial pulsations and breathing movements help push lymph through the system. Finally, when lymphatic ducts empty into the subclavian veins, the fast-moving blood helps draw lymph back into the bloodstream.